Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using IRS hardship distribution rules for retirement accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your retirement account using IRS hardship distribution rules, you first need to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Confirm that your retirement account is qualified for hardship withdrawals, such as a 401k or a 403b plan. Understand that hardship withdrawals are generally allowed for specific financial needs. These needs include costs related to purchasing a primary home, covering tuition and educational fees, or dealing with medical expenses. You may also qualify for a hardship distribution if you need to pay for funeral expenses or repair damage to your home. Gather documentation to support your claim for hardship. This might include bills, invoices, or statements that clearly outline the financial need. Next, consult with your retirement plan administrator or HR department to understand their specific rules and procedures. Ask about the forms required for the withdrawal process. Many plans will require you to complete a hardship withdrawal application. Provide all necessary documentation alongside your application. Be prepared for your application to be reviewed, as the plan administrator will assess the legitimacy of your claim. If your application is approved, you will receive a distribution amount based on your financial need and available balance. Understand the tax implications of taking a hardship withdrawal. Typically, the amount withdrawn will be subject to federal income tax. You may also incur a 10% early withdrawal penalty if you are under the age of 59 and a half. Keep records of your hardship withdrawal for tax purposes and future reference. Finally, be aware that taking a hardship distribution can impact your retirement savings. It is essential to consider alternative options before proceeding with a withdrawal. This approach can help preserve your long-term financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.